friends, welcome to Skillbees YouTube channel. Saudi Arabia is a very popular work location for nurses. Currently, there is a very high demand for nurses in Saudi Arabia. So it would be a suitable location for talented nurses like you. To work as a nurse in Saudi Arabia, the first step is to find a job. You will need to apply for a job in a healthcare institution or a hospital in Saudi Arabia. To find a job, you have two different ways. Firstly, you can take help from recruitment agencies like Skillbee. If you know about job websites or job platforms like Indeed or LinkedIn, you can directly apply for latest jobs on the online job website platform. After applying to the jobs, you need to follow these particular tips to be ready for further processes. First, prepare your documents. Ensure that you have all your official documents ready before applying to the job. These may include your updated resume, your academic certificates or experience certificates. Second, check all the visa requirements. You have to make sure that you know about the visa requirements to become a nurse in Saudi Arabia. You will typically need a work visa or an employment visa to work as a nurse in Saudi Arabia issued by your employer. The employer will guide you through the visa application and provide the required support. Third, understand licensing and certifications. In Saudi Arabia, nurses are required to obtain a Saudi Commission for Health Specialties license or a Saudi Council license to practice. So you must research all the necessary licensing requirements and ensure that you meet the criteria to work as a nurse in Saudi Arabia. If you want to know more about this process, do not miss our next video in which we will talk about this nurse licensing in detail. Next step is to be prepared for your medical examinations. As a part of employment process, you might need to go through some medical examinations to ensure that you meet all the health requirements set by the Saudi Arabian authorities. Friends, remember to stay positive and be proactive in your job search. If your resume is shortlisted, the company will conduct your interview. Prepare well for the interview so that you know all the answers related to nursing questions asked by your employer. That's right, preparing for the interview is crucial to increase your chances of securing a nursing job in Saudi Arabia. Here are some valuable interview tips for nurses. First, research the healthcare system in Saudi Arabia. Make sure that you know about the healthcare system in Saudi Arabia, including their practices, their standards and regulations. Second, understand the job requirement. Review the job description very carefully and be ready to talk about your relevant experience, your qualification and skills that align with the position that you're applying for. Third, showcase multilingual skills. Speaking Arabic is not mandatory for all the nurses in Saudi Arabia, but you must be highly proficient in English speaking. Fourth, show flexibility and adaptability. Working as a nurse in Saudi Arabia may come with set of challenges. So you must show your willingness to work in different shifts, different conditions and embrace the local work culture there. Lastly, ask relevant questions. Towards the end of your interview, ask relevant questions about the facilities available for nurses, regulations for nurses, hospital policies for nurses, opportunity for career advancement and any other thing that is important for you. Remember to dress professionally, maintain a positive attitude and showcase your passion during the interview. So friends, good luck with the job search in Saudi Arabia. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. And also do not forget to subscribe to Skillbees YouTube channel.